How you can use Google Chrome on your Smart TV. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, make sure your Smart TV is connected to the internet. You can use Wi-Fi or a cable, but it needs to be online now. Go to the App Store on your Smart TV. It might be called Google Play Store or something similar, depending on your TV brand. Then, in the search bar, type Google Chrome. If your Smart TV supports it, you'll see Google Chrome in the results. After that, click on the Google Chrome app and press the Install button. Wait a little while until it finishes installing. Once it's done, open the Chrome app. You can now use it just like on a computer. You can type websites, search things, and even watch videos. If your Smart TV doesn't support Chrome, you can use screen mirroring. Just open Chrome on your phone or laptop, then use the Cast feature to show it on your TV, and that's it. It's how you can use Google Chrome on your Smart TV.